Two drills, both hammer. Very different results depending on what you're drilling into. Here's what separates them and when to use each one. Now the core differences. A combi drill is a general purpose tool. It drills, drives, screws and has a hammer mode for light masonry. The hammer action works by two rigid clutch plates knocking against each other as the chuck rotates. It works well in softer material like lightweight block and some brick, but the impact force is limited. An SDS drill is a dedicated masonry tool. The bit slots directly into the chuck and physically reciprocates, hammering it in and out with a far greater force than any combi drill can produce. Same job on paper, completely different mechanisms and power in practice. Now, using a combi drill, driving screws into timber, metal and plasterboard, drilling into wood, drilling into soft brick or lightweight block for standard wall plugs. Anything that involves general fixings and fastenings around the house. The combi drill is the tool you'll reach for on the majority of everyday DIY jobs. It's versatile, lightweight and easy to control. Now, an SDS drill, hard brick, dense block, concrete and stone. Any fixings into solid masonry walls, which covers most UK homes built before the 1980s. Running cable channels, installing outdoor fixings into concrete using chisel attachments to remove tiles, chase mortar joints, or break up small areas of hard material. When the material is tough and the combi drill is struggling, that's the SDS is territory. Now, for signs that you need an SDS drill, if your combi drill is barely making progress after 30 seconds, the bit is getting hot or you're burning through drill bits, the material is too hard for it, switch to an SDS. Pushing a combi drill beyond its capabilities doesn't just slow the job down, it wears out the motor and the bits faster. So can you buy an SDS drill and just use it for everything? Not really. An SDS drill aren't great for driving screws. The chuck system isn't designed for it and you lose the torque control that a combi drill gives you. You'll strip screws and split timber. The two tools complement each other rather than replace each other. Most regular DIYers will get more use out of a combi drill day to day, but if you're working on solid walls with any regularity, you need both. So, combi drill for wood, screws and light masonry, SDS for hard brick, concrete and anything a combi drill is struggling with. Get the right tool for the material and both jobs become easier.